So now we just waiting on the first order to come through. Uber Eats got something for me. Let's see what that is. $20 for 23 miles. Estimated time 55 minutes. No sir. Is way too far for me. We will be declining that one. But I'm on earn by time on Doordash, so I'm really hoping to get an offer over there. Get this acceptance rate up, man. They played me last time I turned on earn by time. I didn't get no increases to my acceptance rate. And then the time before that, I was at on earn by offer. Didn't get no, everything they sent me was 10 miles away. It's so hard to get your acceptance rate up in 2024. Let me know how y'all day been going, and let me know if you've been hitting your goals on Doordash, man. I'm so tired of this damn app. It's not even funny. 51%. I better still be at 51. Trying to get to 70. They don't want me to get up there. What the hell is wrong with them? I guess it's just another one of those days. Another one of those days. Matter of fact, let me post y'all up right there. Hopefully y'all stay right there where you supposed. Oh snaps, we got to order 7 miles at Wingstop. No sir, we won't be doing that. Go ahead, crank that Doordash glitch one time for the one time. Yes sir. Got me messed up, Doordash. I'm not taking no 7-mile delivery. How I'm gonna make money going 7 miles away? All right, we got that order nice and glitched out of the way. Let's go ahead and unpause this thing and see what come in next, man. My acceptance rate will be going up, and I will not be delivering to clowns if I can help it. We still at 51%, we good to go. They gonna have to get it together. They got to get it together. They got to figure out how to pay us more on these trash offers. What is this? Chick-fil-A going 11 miles away. But guess what? Makes me no difference because I'm finna glitch it out. I'm not delivering no Chick-fil-A 11 miles away. I ain't making no money like that. So I will let you know when we get our first order that I don't have to glitch out. Doordash. Doordash, Doordash, Doordash. We will get an order that's acceptable. I feel it in my soul. When will it come? I don't know. I'm only on the schedule for 2 hours, but I'm gonna be, and I'm not finna play these games with Doordash to get there. So I'm not doing it. First order of the day. Look at this. 14 miles. Why is somebody able to order from 14 miles away? Makes no sense. It is not happening. It just ain't. Alrighty, Doordash, I'm game. You want to send me a good delivery? Something that's, maximum 3 miles. You know what? I'll even do a 4-mile delivery. At this point, I will even do a 4-mile delivery. As long as it ain't going 10 miles away. There's no reason I should be going 10 miles away. If a customer need food from 10 miles away, they need to just go get it themselves straight up. Because look, if it come to my phone on Earn by Time, I'm glitching it out. Okay, I'm not having none of it. At all. I'm gonna keep it 100. And I'll sit here and I'll wait until I get one that meets my parameters. Oh, Lord. I'm so tired of doing Doordash, man. This should be making me mad. I ain't making no damn money. Let me see. 86 bucks for the week. Is this the beginning of the week? Nope, it's the end. Had this app on for 16 hours and I made 86 bucks. Now I was active for 4 hours of the 16, but that active time means nothing. The dash time is when I had it on, so that active time means absolutely nothing to me. Absolutely nothing. Hey, with not even $100 to show for it. That make no sense. This thing still ain't going off. Maybe I need to just move to a different spot. I tell you what, we're gonna take this camera, we're gonna sit you right here, and you better not move either. Sometimes you gotta move your car a little bit. Sometimes you can sit in one spot, maybe you get an order, but when my rule of thumb is now, if I sit for about 5 to 10 minutes and I don't get nothing or anything that's good, I'm gonna move. It seems like the orders just pass you up. Especially when you got a nice parking lot with a lot of merchants in it, you can kind of zigzag from one side of the parking lot to the other. What you looking at? Mind your business. They ain't sent an order yet, boy. This is crazy. Just wasting battery at this point.